Ever wonder how a family in Naples, Florida, turned four separate retirement accounts into a single tax-advantaged legacy plan that protects all of them from market crashes? This story starts with a teacher, a contractor, and two grown kids with four 401ks scattered across three different brokerages, and one smart call that changed their entire retirement trajectory. But hold that thought, because before we get into their story, you need to see what's happening right now that makes managing multiple IRAs more urgent than ever. Just last week, inflation data spiked again. Oil prices are creeping up. The Fed says rates may stay higher for longer. And according to the US Treasury, the national debt just passed $34.7 trillion. That's not a typo. And if your retirement is still tied to Wall Street, you're not just exposed, you're a target. Now imagine this. Your family's retirement savings, all consolidated under one simple, tax-advantaged strategy, built around real assets like physical gold. Not stocks that drop 30% overnight, not bonds that lose value every time the Fed blinks. We're talking about a multifamily gold IRA. So what is that exactly? And how did the Castellanos family in Florida use it to secure a legacy? Let's break it down. Meet Ray and Lisa Castellanos. Ray was a retired high school coach. Lisa, a former speech therapist. Their two adult sons both had tech jobs and were watching their 401ks swing up and down with the markets. Together, they had about $1.35 million across various retirement accounts, and they were worried, not just about themselves, but about how to protect the whole family if the markets kept turning. They stumbled across a free gold IRA guide, just like the one linked below, and took a short, no-pressure educational call. That's it. No pushy sales tactics, no silver coin gimmicks, just answers. What they learned? They could legally consolidate part of each of their IRAs into one self-directed gold IRA plan under a unified custodian. That meant diversified holdings in physical gold and silver, full control over their retirement allocation, and a way to protect not just one individual, but the entire family's legacy. Lisa said, "I always thought gold IRAs were just for rich people or conspiracy theorists. Turns out, it was just smart planning." Ray moved $412,000. Lisa rolled over $276,500. Their sons each shifted just over $100,000. That plan is now protected, growing outside the roller coaster of the market and positioned to pass seamlessly to the next generation. And it all started with one thing: getting educated. Look, this isn't about fear, it's about preparation. The same way you planned for your family, your career, your future, this is the next step. So here's the deal. If you've got $100,000 or more in a traditional IRA, 401k, or TSP, take 30 seconds and request the free gold IRA guide below. It comes with a no-obligation educational call. No pressure, just straight talk. This is for people like you, hardworking Americans who built something real and want to protect it. Don't wait until the next bank fails, until inflation bites deeper, until the market dives again and you're left wondering why you didn't act sooner. Ray and Lisa didn't have a crystal ball. They just took the first step. That first step, it's right there below this video. Get the guide, book the call, and see if this is the right move for you and your family. You've worked too hard for your retirement to leave it vulnerable. Secure it, protect it, pass it on. Your legacy deserves nothing less.